continuation, children. Okay, so last I said map is very important to locate places and everything. Okay. There are the scales have been using to locate the maps also. There are large scale maps and small scale maps also. Symbols and different symbols and colors can also be used. I will just show you. See the symbol, the colors, and you can see here. And wherever oceans are there, it is blue in color. Which color? Blue color. Okay. And there are different colors are used to identify the different states and all. And then different colors and symbols are used to show the different features also, such as rivers, oceans, mountains, lakes, and everything. And then weather map is also used. So it is very important while watching the news and all. You can see the weather forecast, isn't it? They show the India map and they show these places are cloudy and these places are rainy and everything. In that you can see the cloudy places. The map is used for that also. For example, see here also I can see I have just downloaded a small picture for you. Here you can watch. Here it is very cloudy. This symbol shows the sun peaking. It is very hot. Okay, it is very hot, and this symbol shows it is very cloudy also. The symbol sun means that it is going to be very sunny. It is very sunny and it is very hot also. Okay. And then next coming to key or legend. Most maps have key or a legend. The key is a chart that explains the meaning of symbols. See, key or legend. 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 Key or legend. Most maps. See what happens? They use this key or legend. Key is a chart that explains the meaning of the symbol. So whatever symbols is there, it explains the meaning of that symbols or signs or colors of that map. That is called the key or legend. Types of maps. Different types of maps are there. What are the different types of maps? One is physical map, the other one is political map, the other one is thematic map. Okay. The first one is physical map. PHYSICAL. Physical map. The second one is political map. Political map. And the third one is thematic. THEMATIC. Thematic map. Physical map, political map, and thematic map. So physical map, what is the use of using physical map? It shows the physical features of the earth. For example, where are mountains, rivers, lakes are located. It can be seen in the physical map. Which map? Physical map. Political map. Political map shows the different countries, different states. This is called as a political map. See here you can see the different countries and everything. See, this is Rajasthan, this is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka. There are different states are located in different places. So this is called as a political map. Okay. And then the other one is thematic map. It gives a particular kind of information about an area. Okay. And suppose weather, transport, population, which state has how much population, all these can be seen in a thematic maps. So there are three types of maps. One is physical map, political map, and thematic maps. And like map only, even globes are there. Okay. Maps and globes. The shape of the earth is, what is the shape of the earth? It is round like an orange. Okay. Therefore, the true shapes of all countries and continents, oceans cannot be shown on a flat map. So in this flat map, can you see the shapes and everything? No. Then it can be shown in a globe. Okay. See, this is the picture of a globe. See, this is a picture of a globe. This is how the globe is seen. Okay. Globe. A globe is a small ball-like model. A globe is a small ball like model. It is just like a, you can go to a bookshop and you can ask for a globe. You will be you can easily see the different countries and everything on the globe. It is a small ball like model of the earth. It is a model of the earth. Globe is the model of the earth. Globe is a model. Globe is a model of the earth. So this is the map and this thing. Okay. Map, and what is the difference between map and a globe? I will explain you. Map is a drawing of the earth. Okay. Map is a drawing of the earth or part of on it flat surface. Whereas globe, it is a spherical model of earth and shows earth as seen from the outer spaces. See, map, it particularly, example, this is a map, okay. It shows the drawing of the earth. Whereas globe, it shows the spherical model of the earth. Spherical model of the earth as seen from the outer space. When you see from the outer space, how the earth will be. It can be seen through a globe and map. Second, you can see all places on a map at the same time. If you show an India map, you can see all the places, isn't it, on the map. Whereas globe, it is difficult to see all the places on the globe. Suppose if globe only one portion, if globe is like this, here you can see particularly only one place, isn't it? Only one place you can see on this globe. You can't see all the places on the globe. One more thing, a map can provide detailed information. It can provide detailed information about the smallest area on earth. So it can provide on smallest area of the earth also. Provide a detailed information in map. But it is difficult to give detailed information on the globe. You can't give detailed information in the globe about a particular place. And then maps are easy to carry around. See, it is very easy. You can just have a chart of the map and you can carry easier. Globes are difficult to carry around because of their size. Globes may be small. Small globes you can carry, but whereas the bigger one of them, you can't carry it. This is the difference between a map and a globe. Now, I'll just have a recap now. So, this is how maps are very, very useful. Okay, maps. Learning about the maps, which has a key or a legend. So, there are three types of maps. One is physical map, the other one is political map, and the third one is thematic map. Maps and globes are different actually. Physical maps show the physical features. Political map shows the different countries and states and anything. Thematic map shows the weather, transport and everything, population. These are called as special purpose maps. This is how the maps are very, very useful for us in our daily lives. Okay, and this is how they will be finishing the lesson now. Next, I will be giving the classwork and then I will be giving the homework also. You have to go through the lesson. Whatever doubts you have, you can contact and ask me. Okay, this is what is the difference between a map and a globe. So, thank you.